Today we'll be demonstrating the installation of an EcoHitch part number X7486S on a 2025 Kia EV9, which features a 100% concealed cross tube and stainless steel receiver, as well as the highest weight ratings in the market with 5,000 pounds towing and 500 pounds of tongue weight capacity, making it the best option for e-bikes and more. To start, raise the rear of the vehicle off the ground and place it on ramps or suitable jack stands. With a trim tool, remove and set aside the plastic clips securing the trim piece. Remove the nuts holding the bottom plastic tray and set aside. Remove and set aside the bottom plastic trim piece. Remove the bolt securing the trim piece bracket on the driver's side. Repeat on passenger side. On the driver's side, unhook the plastic connector holding the orange cable. Place a M14 split lock washer, followed by a 1/2-inch flat washer on the threaded end of each of the 6 M14 1.5 by 70mm hex bolts. With spacer plates facing in, align the driver's side plate to the 3 holes on the frame. Note the rounded cutout should be pointing towards the front of the vehicle. Loosely secure the side plates with 3 of the prepared M14 bolts. The side plate should be loose enough to swing from side to side. Lift the cross tube into position between the loosely fastened side plates. Insert 1/2-inch 13 by 1/2-inch hex bolt through one of the holes in the driver's side plate and cross tube flange. Secure the bolt with 1/2-inch split lock washer and 1/2-inch by 13 grade 8 hex nut. Once each side has 1 bolt installed, install the remaining 1/2-inch hardware to secure the side plates to the cross tube. Torque all M14 bolts to 110 foot-pounds. Torque all 1/2-inch hardware to 60 foot-pounds. Reinstall the plastic connector holding the orange cable you removed earlier. Next, using the mold lines indicated in the instructions, cut a rectangle 4.5-inch deep on the plastic trim piece with a reciprocating body saw or other plastic cutting tool. Once cut, reinstall the bottom plastic trim piece onto the car. Place a 1/4-inch bolt into each of the brackets facing threaded side down. Reach through the front side of the panel to hold the bolt in place while securing it with a 1/4-inch 20 flange nut. Reinstall the plastic connectors removed previously. Secure the bottom trim piece to the remaining factory studs, with the nuts removed at the beginning of the installation. The installation of your EV9 EcoHitch is now complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing TorqueLift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.